Do you show how to set these client reports up in Mastermind? Yeah, I mean, we've got training for Bright Local, but it's super simple. I mean, if you just go look at brightlocal.com and you can see, and if you can sign up for one of their accounts. It's super easy to set up. It's super easy. Like, I mean, they have a setup wizard when you go to add a new location, right? Because it's all done by Google Business Profiles. That's how right? You can't even add a campaign unless it has a GBP. Let's put it that way. But when you go to add a campaign, basically it's a wizard that walks you through the setup of, you can select which reports. There's a number of reports that they have. There's there's a few that I use every time, and a number of them that I turn off. We do organic rank tracking, local search grid tracking, citation tracking, reputation monitoring, Google Business, which is called, I think, the GBP audit, I think it's called in the Bright Local, but that's what integrates with Google Business Insights. So it pulls in all the Google Business Insights data, like, traffic, clicks, calls, etc. And then there's also an analytics integration, so that you can pull in analytics traffic data right into that report. And so again, it's all on one report URL that gets sent to the client through the automated email system in Bright Local, and they just open up the report and they can review any of the data. Everything is there, right? So that's what we do. All right, and yes, it's training in that, but you could go to Bright Local and figure that out on your own if you just sign up and go through the process. So